Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial at ABCD. Today we'll be learning stacking. Okay, so stacking want to position or arrange our numpy array. So two arrays, and want to know how to stack them or arrange them. Okay, so we have vertical stacking and then horizontal stacking. So that's what we'll be doing today. So here you can see we have two arrays. Okay, and stored in this variable a and then b. And then when we print using np.vstack, so vertical stack. Okay, so a b, you can see we have it being stacked. Okay, so we have this one, and then the second one, okay, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, vertically stacked. Okay, but if you come here, when we do is the same, here is the same. Okay, but when we do b comma a, so here is a comma b, you can see this happens. And then when we do b comma a, you can see it's changed its arrangement. Okay, so let's say still vertical. Okay, but because b comes before a, unlike here a came first before b, you can see we have what 1 2 3. Okay, and then 1 2 3 before we came here, 2 1 2 3, then we came 4 5 6. Okay, so let's try that out. So let's do our first vertical stacking. So let's say m equals np dot array into brackets, and then put the square brackets. Let me just copy these values. Control C. I'm just going to paste it inside. Control V. Then I'm going to do n equals np dot array bracket, and then I'm going to put a square bracket, and I'm just going to paste the same thing, but let me just change the values here. Let me change here to, let's say 6. Change here to, let me change here to, let's say 8. Change here to 10, then 11. You can still maintain them, but I want to make us try and understand it, what we're trying to do. And then I'm going to do print into brackets np dot vstack. Okay, vstack, and then let's do m comma n. Okay, so let's see the results. Where's that vstack? Takes one position argument, but two are given. Where is that? Print. So 1 2 3 print np dot vstack. Okay, so the error is on the third line. So 1 2 3 here. Okay, so I need to put a bracket here. So shift, and then put another bracket here. Press enter. Okay, so you can see we have it being stacked vertically. So here one, so the first stacking from here to here, so here, then the second one, and then the n is this, and then this is this. Okay, let's try changing this position. Okay, so we're going to copy the same thing, then I'm going to just insert a new cell, Control V, and I'm going to change here to n, and then I'll change here to m. Okay, so let's print it out and let's see the results. So you can see it's changed. Okay, so now we have n printed first and before m. Okay, so there's something that you should take notice of. Okay, so let's see, what was this? So it was the same thing I was just trying to prove. And then this is H stacking, so horizontal stacking. So you can see here it printed everything here, so just printed them. Okay, so horizontal stacking printed this and this in one line, and then printed this and this in another line. So let's just try that out. We're going to put our a and this thing here, and I'm just going to change here to H stacking. Now let me just do n and then m. Okay, and let's print it out. What was the error? Did we have any error? Okay, so this is it. Okay, so n and m. So you can see with where's our m? So it's printed 1 2 3 1 2 6 and m. Okay, so we printed n. Okay, 1 2 6 and then 1 2 3 all in horizontal line, and then it came here to print what 4 11 to 10, and then 4 5 6 8. Okay, so that is for H stacking and then V stacking. See you in the next tutorial.